What if I told you that a single humble penny from 1955 could be worth a jaw-dropping, mind-blowing, wallet-fattening hundreds of dollars today? And no, I'm not talking about that wildly famous era penny. I'm talking about this one, the unsung hero of the coin world. Welcome back to the absolutely thrilling V.T. Samuel studio. I'm your host, the one and only V.T. Samuel, and today we're diving headfirst into the treasure trove of the 1955 D Lincoln Wheat penny, a coin that most folks completely overlook, but trust me, collectors are on the edge of their seats for this beauty. This glorious 1955 D Lincoln Wheat penny was minted in the bustling city of Denver, proudly flaunting a tiny D mint mark right beneath the year. Can you believe it? Over a staggering 563 million of these coins were cranked out, which might sound like a boatload, but hold your horses because the condition of the coin is where the real magic happens. Now here's where things get downright exhilarating. In circulated condition, it's usually worth a measly 3 to 10 cents. Yawn, right? But if it's uncirculated, mint state, it could fetch anywhere from $1 to $15. Cha-ching! Sadeem, and if you got a high-grade MS-66 or MS-67, well, those beauties have sold for a whopping $100 to $400 plus at auctions. Can you believe that? That's a penny turning into some serious cash money. Before you toss that old penny into your couch cushions, make sure to check for these vital signs. A crystal clear 1955 date, that all-important D mint mark, sharp, pristine details on Lincoln's iconic face, strong, bold wheat lines on the back, absolutely no heavy scratches or ugly discoloration. The better the condition, the higher the value. It's a simple equation, folks. Now let's clear up a common misconception. Most people confuse this coin with the infamous 1955 double-die penny. You know, the one that has no mint mark and is worth a jaw-dropping fortune. But don't sleep on the 1955 D. Collectors are still on the hunt for this gem in pristine condition. So the next time you spot an old penny lying around, don't just toss it aside. Check it, research it. You might just be holding a tiny treasure in your hand that could surprise the hell out of you. Like, share, and subscribe to the incredible V.T. Samuel studio. Save this video if you're a coin enthusiast. And drop a comment if you're itching to uncover the next rare penny revelation.